Tonight marks the start of our Advent season.
Let us all celebrate the spirit of Christmas, the spirit of joy, the spirit of hope, and the spirit of love, and the spirit of unity.
The theme of our Christmas today is a celebration. That's why you will see our tree na atay na cupcake, because what is a celebration without the dessert table and without cupcake?
I hope that everybody is just as excited as I am.
Malipayong tangtanan karon kay maka-witness ta sa lighting of the Christmas tree.
Kini simbolo sa paglaom, kalinaw o kahiusa.
May this Christmas season give us or highlight the very reason why we're celebrating tonight. About goodwill, about compassion, about sincerity, and about generosity.
Wish you all a peaceful and Merry Christmas.
Salamat kaayo. Thank you kaayo sa inyong support sa ODT.
Bago ka matapos, magpapasalamat muna kami sa iyo.
Usab maayong gabi natong tanan. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Ryan Cayabyab for coming to our corner of the world. I'd also like to thank, and she's in the audience now, Miss Sofia Elizalde with her spouse Pachi. Thank you for coming to our mall. I'd like to thank also for our beautiful decorations, for the beautiful Christmas design, Mr. Gino Gonzalez. Woohoo! He did a wonderful job. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtambong karon nga hinaot. Kitang tanan, we will all have a very, very happy and a very, very Merry Christmas.